Hello, my name is Chad Barth. I'm the instructor at the Auto Collision at the Washington County Career Center. Auto Collision is a program where you can take an automobile that is damaged and repair it back to factory specs and make it beautiful again.
The atmosphere is very friendly, and we all get along really well, and it's just like a family every time we come and shop, and we all just love being around each other.
When you walk in, you can see where you have fixed a panel, and you can see your progress each day that you come in.
The kind of tools we use, paint guns, slide hammers, nail guns, block sanders, and even sandpaper.
The students their junior year, they actually will learn general body work. They'll learn how to knock out dents, just general dents, and then they will learn to prime them and refinish them. The senior year, they actually will go into more techniques on repair and damage on fenders. Also, you will learn more on refinishing, how to refinish a car, more precise, maybe even you learn some detailing. You have a high rate of opportunity to get a job placement because the industry is looking for intro-level auto collision technicians. You would have a very good chance of getting a job.
When we paint, first we do the primer. We can either do 2 or 3 coats of primer, and then we always sand it down so it's smooth. And then after that, we take it back, or we wash, and then we take it back into the paint booth and layer base coat on it. And after the base coat, we throw or a couple coats of base coat, then we throw clear on it.
My plans after I graduate are to go to college for mechanics after I get my certificate here for collision, and then I want to start my own shop.
My parents loved restoring cars and everything, old classic cars. I just loved it.
It doesn't matter. I mean, if you have the desire to do the work, they want to be here to do it.